Hey guys, Jeff with Profusion Pressure Wash here. Today I have a video of a house wash I did for a very satisfied customer. House washing is one of the many services I offer within my small business. Now, make sure you stay until the end of the video to see the completed before and after of this particular job. I service homeowners and businesses all over central Kentucky and provide a full range of pressure and soft washing services, including roof washing, as well as deck and fence restoration. For house washing, I start by applying a premium algicide and surfactant by soft washing each side of the home. The algicide eliminates all organic material at the root, such as algae, mold, and mildew, while the surfactant clings to the dirt and cobwebs, making them easy to wash away. This also ensures no damage comes to the home, unlike regular pressure washing would do. I then wait a few minutes, let the treatment do its work, and then rinse away the remaining contaminants, leaving behind a seamlessly clean house. Now, if you know someone who has a dirty house, roof, or driveway, be sure to tag them down in the comments below. Please share this post if you support local business, and at the very least, drop a like on this video as it helps me out very much and I really would appreciate it. Now, if you have a dirty house and would like to get it washed, please feel free to click through my page, check out some of the other services I offer, and I would be more than happy to come out and assess your unique situation and give you a free estimate. It's been Jeff, thanks everyone, and have a great day.